homogeneous, right? Yes, my dear students. And now let us learn that how to solve it. Yes, to solve it, the method is this is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation, because you can use any of the three methods to prove the homogeneity. I am using the second one because it is purely a function of y upon x. ठीक है, आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं, तीनों ही काम करेंगे. Now to solve it, you remember what was the method? The method was to put, let y equals to vx, right? And then dy upon dx, what will become, students? Dy upon dx will become, can you tell how much? V plus v into x ka derivative 1 plus x into dv upon dx. Now make these two substitution here. Then this equation will become dy upon dx will become removed, and in place of this v plus x dv upon dx will come, and this will become 1, and y is replaced by vx upon x. X get cancelled, and very simple, this v also will get cancelled, and here you get very simple differential equation x dv upon dx equal to 1. And after that what we have to do? We have to use variable separation method. Now you can see that separating the variables is super easy. Dv I am keeping in left, and dx upon x I am sending in the right. Integral sign on both the sides plus c, right students? And integral dv will become v equal to log x plus c. V we have chosen from our side, so substitute v. Let us put the value of v. V will be how much from here, students?
Y by x.
Y by x. V will be y upon x, because v we have chosen from our side. So final answer should be in terms of x and y only. So let me put in place of v, I'll write as y upon x. So it becomes y upon x equal to log x plus c, and this I am declaring as my final answer, right? So this is Hitesh Chaudhary, will you read question number 3? Hitesh, and I request you all that please be ready with your notebook and textbook. As I call your name, within seconds you should respond. Mohit Sharma, will you read the next third question? Mohit. Ujesh Sisodia from A section, will you read the next third question? Ujesh Sisodia or Utkarsh Srivastav, any one of these two? I am very much disappointed. This is not correct. Some people are not responding. It means they are not ready with their textbook. My dear students, I am reminding you all that please be ready with your textbook and notebook. Otherwise, our limited time will waste. Hema Michael, I hope you can read. Hema?
Yes, sir.
Hema, please.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. And all the students again are reminded that if you are not keeping your textbook ready, of course you will not feel the best circumstances to learn this chapter, this topic. I request you all, my dear, that please give your maximum to learn it. Yes, Hema.
X minus y dy x plus y.
Can you repeat? Hema, can you repeat? Hema?
Dx is equal to 0.
Can you repeat?
X y dy
X minus y dy
minus x minus x plus y dx is equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. And suggest also, Hema, that first of all what should I do? सबसे पहले क्या किया जाए इस क्वेश्चन में? If you see, before putting this, we have to bring our equation in this form, correct? dy upon dx equal to something. So let us bring this dy x minus y into dy. This term I am going to send on the right will become equal to x plus y dx, and dy upon dx will become x plus y upon x minus y, which means now I have to prove that it is homogeneous differential equation, right? So it is homogeneous differential equation because degree of each term in numerator and denominator is same, right? This also is a way that this to prove that this is homogeneous. Now to solve it, I should make these two substitutions. So let us substituting that y equal to vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx, right? So let us make the substitution. Yes. And this equation will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to x as it is, and this y will be replaced with vx whole upon x minus vx. X common and cancelled, 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Students, please keep checking. If any error is there, please let me know. Then x dv upon dx will be equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v, and this will become 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v. Now my differential equation is ready for variable separation. So let us separate the variables. This will become, let me bring this entire term with dv, 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv equal to dx upon x, right? And let us integrate both the sides. Yes. Now students, suggest me that how to integrate this left hand side. Anyone?
Separating 1 minus v.
Separating what? 1 minus v. You are saying you want to say perhaps making two terms. So let us make, let us make two terms out of it. 1 minute. Yeah. So let us make two terms out of it. It will become 1 upon 1 plus v square. Chahak Surana, are you listening? Can you tell me that what will be the integral of these two terms? Chahak Surana, are you listening me? Can you tell me that how to integrate these two terms? These two. Right hand side will become log x plus c. Yes, Chahak, I am waiting. No response. Ekansh Malav? Chahak?
Yes, sir.
Or Ekansh, yes. Ekansh, can you tell me left side, these two terms, what should be the integration?
Sir, first one tan inverse v.
Exactly. Tan inverse v. And what we should do for second one?
Multiply and divide by 2.
Multiply and divide by 2. And then it will become?
Log 1 plus v square.
Bilkul. Because denominator derivative, now it has 2v, now it has been present in numerator. So log of denominator, f dash upon f case it is. And log x plus c. I think this is integrated. Now v value can be substituted because y equal to vx it was, so it means v equal to y upon x. So let me put the value of v, which is y upon x, everywhere. So tan inverse y upon x minus half log 1 plus y square upon x square equal to log x plus c. Okay, I think we can take LCM here, and this way we can simplify. So it will become tan inverse y upon x minus log x square plus y square, है ना, minus half, and here log a minus log b is log a upon b, that I am going to do. So minus minus plus half, because outside it was minus sign, so minus minus plus half log x square equal to log x plus c, right? And very easily you can see that half log x square, if you 2 you bring here, 2 upon 2 cancel, it is nothing but log x. So this log x get cancelled with the right hand side log x, and here I receive my final answer, which is tan inverse y upon x minus half log x square plus y square. Students, please check and someone tell that this is right or not. So this is the final answer. Please check someone and tell whether this is right or not.
Correct, sir.
Good.
Correct, sir.
Yes. So this was probably third question, right, students? Now please move towards the next question. Somebody, Divyansh Kumar, will you read? Divyansh from A section, will you read? Divyansh Chaudhary, sorry, from A section. No?
Yes, sir.
Divyansh from A section. Will you read the next question? Probably
Yes,
fourth.
sir.
Probably fourth question.
So x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0.
1 minute. मैं इसको क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, है ना? आई होप सभी ने कर लिया होगा. यस. दिव्यांश, कैन यू रिपीट?
x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equals to 0.
क्या किया जाए सबसे पहले? दिव्यांश, योर सजेशन, व्हाट शुड बी डन फर्स्ट?
Sir, take dy by dx one side.
मैं पहले dy upon dx निकाल लेता हूँ, है ना? उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. एक टर्म को उधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ. dy upon dx, dx shifting that side. आ गया मेरा dy upon dx. dy upon dx equals to this माइनस को मैं इसमें मिक्स कर देता हूँ, y square minus x square upon 2xy. Right. So first of all, I have to prove that this is homogeneous differential equation. है ना, students? So let us prove that this is homogeneous. First, two methods we have seen in previous question. So we can use the third one. Let it be fxy. Let. Then third method is that f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda raised to power n fxy. So let me find f of lambda x comma lambda y. करना क्या है? करना कुछ नहीं है, बस यहाँ पे fxy जो है उसमें x की जगह पे lambda x रखना है and y is to be replaced with lambda y, and let us see what will happen. So y I am going to replace with lambda y whole square as it is रहेगा, x की जगह पे lambda x whole square as it is, whole upon 2 as it is, x के प्लेस में lambda x और y के प्लेस में lambda y. अब करना क्या है? अब मुझे इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है और lambda पूरी तरह डिटैच हो जाना चाहिए. दूसरे शब्दों में lambda should come common. ठीक है, but I can see here that lambda will be actually cancelled completely because here lambda square will come common and this inside the bracket you will get y square minus x square whole upon here 2 lambda square xy. Lambda square get cancelled and what remains is nothing but f of x comma y. So f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to f of x comma y, so that's why it is homogeneous differential equation. So it is HDE, right? Now to solve it, I have to put y equals to Vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. ठीक है, तो चलिए पुट कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. सो मेरी इक्वेशन में dy upon dx will become disappeared and it will become in place of dy upon dx x v plus x dv upon dx will appear, equal to, in the right hand side y will become disappeared and in place of y vx will come, whole square as it is, whole upon 2 x as it is, and in place of y vx will come. Correct. Students, I hope you can see x square common and can be cancelled with denominator x square. So this will become v square minus 1 whole upon 2v equals to v plus x dv upon dx. Correct. तो आपको ध्यान होगा previous questions में that after simplifying we try to separate the variables. तो वही यहाँ पे भी मैं try करने की कोशिश करूँगा कि v एक साइड में और बाकी सारे टर्म्स जो है वो दूसरी साइड में. तो चलिए इस v को राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. Yes, so this will become v मैं उधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूं. So x dv upon dx will become equal to v square minus 1 whole upon 2v minus v. Let us take LCM and this will become minus 1 minus v square whole upon 2v. Separate the variables. So 2v upon 1 plus v square equal to minus dx upon x. ठीक है, माइनस मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, ऐसे बोल सकते हो. ओके, और माइनस को राइट हैंड साइड में ही रखा और ये इधर. नाउ लेट अस इंटीग्रेट and quite same like previous question, the 2v upon v 1 plus v square, this is f dash upon f case, so this will become log of denominator, log of 1 plus v square equal to minus log x plus c. Right, that's it. मैं इंटीग्रेट कर चुका हूं, मैं बस v की जगह पे y upon x लिखने जा रहा हूं. ये लीजिए, माइनस लॉग एक्स को भी मैं लेफ्ट में ले लेता हूं. सो लॉग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, और log a plus log b log ab, so into x it will become, and when two logs were there, let us put the third constant also as log so that I can remove the log from both the sides. Now remove log from both the sides. You should not cancel it. It is not in multiply. Actually we are taking anti-log, right? Inverse function we are taking. So do not cancel it. It is not being cancelled. We are just taking the inverse function. So removing the log from both the sides, and this will be the final answer. So final answer is x square plus y square equal to cx. So you can check it, students. Astha Gothi, will you read the next question? 5th, Astha. आस्था,
yes,
आस्था ये वाला समझ में आया? 4th वाला?
yes sir,
नोटबुक में लिख रहे हैं?
yes sir,
very good. 5th, and other students also pay attention and suggest me what we should do in this. बोलो आस्था.
x square dy by dx equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy.
Okay, आस्था तुम ही बताओ क्या करा जाए, पहला स्टेप। आस्था और एनीवन एल्स इन दिस क्लास, कोई भी बताए मुझे कि सबसे पहले क्या किया जाए, क्योंकि सारे क्वेश्चन में एक पैटर्न है, हम सबसे पहले एक ही काम करते हैं। टेल मी समवन। बोलो स्टूडेंट्स। Neha is writing a message that divide by x, is it? So divide by x square perhaps she wants to write. Okay, x square, हाँ, divide by x square both the sides. तो बिल्कुल, because मुझे जो इक्वेशन चाहिए वो dy upon dx equal to something फॉर्म में चाहिए, तो मुझे इसका मल्टीप्लायर नहीं चाहिए, हटाओ इसको। dy upon dx equal to 1 minus 2y square upon x square plus y upon x, है ना, x स्क्वायर से डिवाइड किया, ठीक है, बिल्कुल एक लाइन में डिक्लेयर करूंगा, बिकॉज सिंस RHS is purely a function of y upon x, hence it is a homogeneous differential equation, HDE it is, right? तो एक लाइन में मैंने प्रूव कर दिया कि दिस इज HDE. नाउ टू सॉल्व इट द सेम मेथड, लेट y इक्वल टू vx एंड dy upon dx equal to v into 1 plus x dv upon dx. Okay, so let us make the substitution. The equation will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2v square x square upon x square, okay, plus vx upon x. X get cancelled and I can see v also get cancelled from both the sides, and equation will become x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2v square. Very easily it is separable. dv upon 1 minus 2v square equal to dx upon x. Integral both the sides plus c. Can someone tell me that how to integrate it? Can anyone tell that how to integrate it in the class? Left side how to integrate it? Anyone from C section? Anyone from C section? Can someone tell that how to integrate it, the left hand side? No one. Rajvi, Hitesh, Hema, Gracie. Hitesh Kumar, I hope, I know you can tell. Hitesh, are you listening me?
Yes sir.
Hitesh.
सर यार,
लेफ्ट
सर यार
साइड
तो इसमें 2 कॉमन ले लो डिनोमिनेटर में से।
1 मिनट, ले लिया, 2 कॉमन ले रहा हूँ, ले लिया, तो मुझे मिलेगा dv अपॉन 1 की जगह बन जाएगा 1/2 माइनस v स्क्वायर, ठीक है। फिर नेक्स्ट हितेश,
फिर सर अंडर dv अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर वाला फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे।
बताओ क्या होता है, व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? इंटीग्रल dv अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर, टेल मी हितेश, टेल मी।
1 अपॉन a 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c.
Plus c. This is the formula. So let us apply. You are absolutely right, Hitesh. So let us apply half log a plus x, half plus v upon half minus v equal to, and as previous question that when 2 log were there, constant also let us take in terms of log c equal to log cx. So now y के जगह पे मैं पुट करने जा रहा हूँ, y v की जगह पे मैं पुट करने जा रहा हूँ v equals to y upon x. So this will become, half को मैं राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करता हूँ, log half plus y upon x upon half minus y upon x, and this will become log 2 log cx. So there is no harm in sending this 2 in exponent as exponent. So this will become log c square x square, and the left hand side will become log LCM, what should be LCM? 2x get cancelled, x plus 2y whole upon x minus 2y. 2x get cancelled from both the sides. Remove the log, take anti-log from both the sides, and it will become x plus 2y upon, Hitesh, check the answer and tell me, is this right? Equal to c square x square. No simplification possible. This is final answer. Hitesh, can you tell me, is this right?
सर 1/2 की जगह 1/√2 आएगा ना?
हाँ, तुमने पहले नहीं बताया. हाँ, तुम देखते रहे लेकिन तुमने पहले नहीं बताया. नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं भी करेक्ट करता हूँ. √2 आएगा. ओके. Now it should be right. Check students and tell me, is this right answer?
सर मल्टीप्लाइड में भी तो आएगा.
क्या चीज?
1/2√2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन में.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में
1/2 होता है ना सर?
1/2a होता है. Okay, that also I missed. That also I missed. 1/2a and a is 1/√2. This also I missed. So 1/2√2 it will remain. तो 2√2 को तो हम बेहतर है कि ऐसे ही रखा जाए, है ना. उसको एक्सपोनेंट में भेज के कोई हम ये बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल नहीं दिखेगा. इज दिस राइट आंसर? चेक स्टूडेंट्स, इज दिस राइट आंसर?
Yes, sir.
Final, exactly matching, or if any mismatch is there, minute mismatch is there?
Correct, sir.
Correct है? Okay, let us move towards the next
Correct,
question.
sir.
Correct. Okay. Divyanshi from class A. Divyanshi, will you read the next question?
Yes, sir.
Please.
X dy minus y dx is equals to root x square plus y square dx.
Right. Looking just quite same like previous questions. Can you read the next to it? 7th one?
Yes, sir.
I am skipping the 6th one for you people. 7th please read. Yes.
X cos y upon x. X cos y upon x.
Yes.
Plus y sin of
Keep reading. All right.
y upon x. Whole bracket y. Dx is equals to y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x whole bracket x
Whole
dy.
bracket into x dy.
X dy.
Okay. This is the equation. Divyanshi, you only tell me that how to proceed. What should be my first task? Divyanshi, what should be my first task? We do the same
सर
work.
dy by upon dx को हम लोग एक तरफ ले लेते हैं और बाकी दूसरी इक्वेशन को अलग ले लेते हैं.
बिल्कुल, यही काम हम सभी क्वेश्चंस में कर रहे हैं. This work we are doing in each and every question of this exercise. So let us bring dy upon x. This is my dy, this is dx. Let us exchange the sides. X cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y. Okay, this term I am keeping in left, and this bracket and x I am bringing in denominator. So y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x and equals to dy upon dx. Now I have to prove that this is homogeneous. So to prove homogeneousness, I am going to divide up and down numerator and denominator with x. So dividing by x. And this will give me cos y upon x plus this will become y upon x sin y upon x into y whole upon y upon x sin y upon x minus x we have divided, so x will be removed, cos y upon x. And this upon x I am going to mix with this y upon x. This is. Now same line, that since this right hand side is purely a function of y upon x, so it is homogeneous differential equation, HDE. So now to solve it, let us try to put dy upon dx. Let us substitute. Let us write y as vx. Okay. Yes. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. Now let y equal to vx. This will give me dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Let us putting in the equation. Then this equation will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to cos vx upon x plus vx upon x sin vx upon x, okay, into y is vx upon x whole upon vx upon x into sin vx upon x minus cos vx upon x. Okay, so here x get cancelled everywhere and this becomes cos v plus v sin v into v whole upon v sin v minus cos v, right. Now let us shift this v term, because now I have to separate the variable. This is containing completely v. This v also let us shift on the right hand side. Yes. So this will become x dv upon dx equal to v cos v plus v square sin v whole upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. Now taking LCM. So it will become x dv upon dx equal to v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v whole upon v sin v minus v cos v cos v, right. Now v square sin v get cancelled and it remains v cos v 2v cos v whole upon v sin v minus cos v. Separate the variables and it becomes this whole entire term bringing in left side. So v sin v minus cos v whole upon 2v cos v, or better 2 I am keeping on that side only, equal to 2 dx upon x. Now let us integrate both the sides. What should we do to integrate the left hand side? Any suggestion, students? What should we do to integrate the left hand side?
f dash upon f.
F dash upon f, is it? denominator derivative will be v into minus sin v.
माइनस कॉमन आएगा.
हाँ एक मिनट में जरा डिनोमिनेटर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करता हूँ. v cos v if I differentiate I will get minus v sin v plus cos v. This I'll get, है ना. So this denominator is derivative. Is this present in numerator? Minus का फर्क है. So minus out, and then f dash upon f case it will become, है ना. Then f dash upon f case it will become. आपको अगर नहीं ऐसे guess हुआ कि it is f dash upon f, I think making two terms should also work here. Okay, but now it will be easily integrable. This will be log of denominator minus log denominator v cos v equal to this c also let us keep in terms of log c 2 on that side, and it will become log c x square. Okay, minus taking in exponent, so log v की जगह पे y upon x cos y upon x, okay, whole power minus 1 equal to log cx square. Now remove log from both the sides and simplify it further. So this log I am removing, x upon y sec y upon x है ना, whole power minus 1 था, equal to cx square. One x get cancelled and sec y upon x equal to cx, and one y from left hand side will come cxy. This is my final answer. Students, please check and tell me, is this right? Students, my dears, please check, is this right? Huh? Please check, students. And moving towards the next question, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 8th, 9th and 10th, any one we can take. You suggest which one? Students, out of 8th, 9th, 10th, any one we can take. 10th, let us see, because x upon y is appearing. Varsha Poswalia, will you read the next question? 10th.
One plus e to the power x upon y.
One minute. Yes, 10th.
1 plus e power x upon y. 4 multiplied by dx. Plus e power x upon y. 4 multiplied by 1 minus x upon y.
Multiplied
Bracket
with
में
1 minus.
1 minus x upon y.
Okay.
Bracket close. dy equal to 0.
Yes. Check. I have written correct on the board. Check.
Correct.
Okay. Now let us solve it. dy upon dx. First of all, I have to find out. So one term I am shifting on the right hand side. 1 plus e to power x upon y dx equal to minus e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y dy. Okay. Now let us find dy upon dx value. So dy upon dx equal to 1 plus e to power x upon y whole upon e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y. Okay, this is minus also is there. Now you can say purely a function of y upon x, hence HDE. Right. Easily you can prove x upon y, sorry, purely a function of x upon y, so hence it is HDE. Now to solve it, students, if you put y equal to vx, then it will become 1 upon v, है ना? So in fraction it will come. So better here that interchange between x and y in our method. So here to solve, substituting x equal to Vy will be better, and then dx upon dy will be v into y with respect to y will be 1 plus y as it is into dv upon dy. Okay. So you understand why we have done, because x upon y is there. So if I put y equal to vx, 1 upon v will come, which will create further more complexities. Of course that also will be a way to solve, right? I think answer will come from that also, right? But I think this will be shorter. So what I am going to do, I am going to inverse it. Then I will make the substitution. Dx upon dy equal to minus e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y whole upon 1 plus e to power x upon y. Now make this substitution. So this will give me dx upon dy will be replaced with v plus y dx upon dv upon dy equal to, and let me write here. So this will become v plus y dv upon dy equals to minus e to power v, x is put as vy, so v into 1 minus v whole upon 1 plus e to power v. So now separating the variables. Bringing on the left and taking LCM. This get cancelled and separating the variables. Right. Now let us separate the variables. So this will become 1 plus e to power v upon v plus e to power v equal to minus dy upon y. Now it is easily integrable. Left side you can see the f dash upon f case it is. 1 plus e to power v will be the derivative. So log of denominator. C also let us take in terms of log. V was x upon y, and remove the log from both the sides, and here I get my final answer. Throughout we can multiply with y. This is completed. I request you all, my dear students, to get it, to understand it, and if you have doubts, problems, then please leave your messages clear with me. I'll feel happy, and thank you everyone.